Hey, it is Brian Cornett, and this is my Technology Integration Frameworks presentation. So the first framework that I'm going to talk to you about is the TIP model, the Technology Integration Planning. This model, its main focus or purpose is to um, guide technology integration to ensure the efficient use of technology and whether or not it meets the needs of the lesson. Um, and it's focused on why technology is being integrated, which is to overall enhance the learning experience. And this model is divided into 5 phases. The first phase is to determine relative advantage. So, why is using technology better than the traditional way of teaching the lesson? Um, Focus on the impact of the technology and not the technology itself. The second phase, decide on objectives and assessment. So, what objectives and assessment methods best suit this technology integration type? Um, Phase 3, design integration strategies. So, pretty much what strategies work best with this type of technology integration? How does using this technology support those teaching methods? And how can you prepare the students to work with that technology? Um, Number 4, prepare the instructional environment. So that's just making sure you have all of your equipment, your media, all the different materials all together, and you have to decide how your lesson is going to be arranged, what kind of supervision you're going to give your students, and how you're going to group your students. And it also includes making sure that all of your resources are working well by troubleshooting and making sure that you have a backup. In the fifth phase, revise integration strategies. It just means, did the integration go well? What were the pros and cons? What kind of feedback did you get from your students? That kind of thing. The next phase or the next model is the SAMR, substitution, augmentation, modification, redefinition. That's a mouthful. Um, this model um, focuses, or its purpose is to focus on how the technology will impact the teaching and learning. So, why is bringing this technology in there? How is it going to impact how the students learn? Um, the model is designed to help infuse technology with learning to help make it kind of one and the same, and it's a progression through using and learning, teaching with the technology. And there are 4 levels of this model, and the first 2 are more on the enhancement level, and the last 2 are more on the transformation level. The first level is substitution, where you're just substituting technology for a different tool. That would be like typing a paper instead of writing the paper. The augmentation level, you're just enhancing the task. That could be like using the technology that lets you speak into the microphone and it automatically types the words on the screen. With both of those levels, the overall task doesn't change. You're just incorporating a little bit of technology into it. Um, the modification level, you're approaching the task in a new way. Um, you're getting a little bit more of a redesigned kind of task. It can be more web-based and be made more interactive. And the last level, the redefinition level, is a total redesign of the task. Like the um, picture says, technology allows for the creation of a new task. So there can be a variety of technologies used and to just have an overall redefined task and reflect on that learning. The third model is the levels of technology innovation. And like the title refers to, it is divided into levels. And the purpose of these levels is to help teachers kind of see how much technology integration that they have in their classroom. So there are 7 levels from level 0 to level 6. Level 0, like it implies, there's no technology use at all. Level 1 is more of an awareness of that technology. The students don't use it, but the teachers do. That could be like having the teachers put the lecture notes on the screen while they're presenting the lesson. Level 2 is exploration. The students get to use it a little bit for lower order thinking skills like knowledge and comprehension. Um, Level 3 is infusion. Students get to use it for more higher order thinking skills like application and analysis. Um, but it's still more, the technology use is still more teacher centered. Level 4 is where the technology use gets more student centered. And level 4 is integration. Students are able to apply their learning to the real world with authentic and relevant activities. Level 5 builds off of level 4. There's more of a collaboration with the community with multiple technologies being used. This could be global collaboration, local collaboration. It's just more of a collaboration level. Level 6 is the refinement. It continues to build off of level 5, and you have an infrastructure set into place with funding and everything for effective technology integration. The fourth model is the technology integration matrix. Um, this model is a roadmap for how to use technology to enhance learning. So it guides you on how to effectively integrate technology to enhance learning. Um, and it evaluates the levels of technology integration so that you can integrate technology in a meaningful way. Um, this model is, like I said, it's a matrix. There are 5 characteristics of technology integration, which are that the technology integration is active, it's collaborative, it's constructive, authentic, and goal-directed. And there are 5 levels of technology integration: entry level, adoption, adaption, infusion, and transformative. This matrix has 26 cells, and each cell has 2 lesson plans and a short video of the lesson that shows how the technology is integrated in the classroom. This would be um, a great resource for teachers because you can look at the 5 characteristics and at the 5 levels and see how other teachers have integrated technology at the different levels and how to continue to build off of it, and it gives you an example to follow. And the last model that I want to talk to you about is the TPACK model. Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge. That's what that stands for. That's a mouthful. Um, this model helps identify the knowledge that teachers need to know to teach effectively with technology. Um, and while this model identifies 7 forms of knowledge, it all stems from 3 basic forms of knowledge: content knowledge, pedagogy knowledge, and technology knowledge. But as you can see in the diagram, when you have those 3 basic forms of knowledge that the teachers know, to teach their lessons, when you're integrating technology, when you combine those three, you get four new forms of knowledge. And so this model kind of gives you like the for effective technology integration, teachers need to have that mixture of all three of the forms of knowledge. So that is my presentation. I hope you learned a little bit. So thanks for watching. Bye.